Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works on the Motorola Edge 40. So to open the Camera Pro Mode, you have to open the mode next to the portrait. It's called Pro. And first I'm going to show you how to adjust parameters at the bottom, and then we are going to move to the upper bar. So first it's the AF, it's basically the manual focus. To adjust automatically, just move to the AF, and that's the automatic focus. Next, we can find the white balance with the automatic adjustment. By moving to the right, we can manually adjust the white balance. Here we can find the shutter delay. It's basically the shutter speed, so we can set it up even for the 32 seconds. When you set it up, for example, for the 1 or 2 seconds, that's the time to take photo. So you have to hold your phone steady for this 3 seconds. Do not move it. And thanks to the shutter speed, you can catch more light to your lenses. And that's also the automatic adjustment at the first place. Next, we can also adjust the ISO level. And the last option right here, it's the exposure compensation, and that's, by the way, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this A automatic adjustment. When you go to the upper bar, we can turn on the flashlight. We can also enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. We can change photo format. We can find 3 default formats. We can also change aspect ratio. And we can access other settings. So that's how it looks. Hope you like it.